You can replace objects and images like this, and now replace it with objects like this. Let me show you how to do it. And to do this for free, you want to head over to runwayml.com. And first you want to create an account, of course. And with runwayml.com right now, you're actually getting over 100 credits. So it's basically free, which is amazing with how much AI technology they have here. Once you're at the home screen, just select edit images. And then from here, you want to hit erase and replace. For this example, I'm going to use a very basic, easy basketball going into a basketball hoop. Select your image and just drag it over. Once the image is uploaded, you have a slide bar over here on the left side to adjust the size of your brush. Once you have the desired size, that's pretty good for what we're going to do. You're just going to brush over the item or object that you want to replace in the image. Make sure you fill in all of it on the outside, inside. Make sure you can feel free to go a little bit over the edges, as you can see I'm doing here with the basketball. Then once you have it selected, you can let go. Then at the bottom, you just type in what you want to replace that object with. So nice and simple for us, we're just going to make this a soccer ball. Type in what you would like, then hit generate on the right side. Hidden behind me, hitting generate takes a couple seconds for it to process your request. You should see the area that you brushed over vibe in and out. We have our soccer ball here, which kind of looks like a volleyball in my opinion. But what's great, if you look down here, there's 4 different options. So let's see what they gave us. This one I'm not fantastic about. This one looks awesome. This one's okay. And this one's like a fusion of a soccer ball and a volleyball. We're gonna go with the second pick. From here, you can just hit the download button at the very top, or you can hit accept and then the download button on the left. Kind of silly, but there you go. Now you have replaced your object in your image. AI technology is taking over the tech world by storm like a crazy wildfire. To keep up to date with what's going on in the AI technology world and what it can and can't do, and it can do a lot, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Until next time, guys, peace.